In this video, we're going to form equations involving relative percentages of amounts. So we're told the value of G is 40% less than the value of K, and the value of H is 30% more than the value of L, and you're given that G is equal to H, work out the value of K over L. So it's quite confusing this, but let's just represent this information bit by bit. Now we're told the value of G is 40% less than the value of K. Now, what times K is going to be equal to G? We're told that G is 40% less than K. Now, if you're 40% less than something, if you start at 100% and you reduce it by 40%, you're going to have 60% of that value. So another way of saying this is that G is 60% of the value of K. Now, how do you find 60% of something? You times it by its decimal equivalent, which is 0.6. So therefore, G is equal to 0.6K, like that. Let's do another example. We're told that H is 30% more than the value of L. So H is what percentage of L? Now, if L starts at 100% of its value, and if you want 30% more than that, you're going to go up to 130%. So therefore, H is 130% of the value of L. So H is 130% of, or as a decimal, that's 1.3 times the value of L. So now we've turned these two statements into equations, and we're told that G is equal to H. So G is equal to H here, so we can say that 0.6K is equal to 1.3L. And we're asked the value of K over L. Now let's work out an expression for K in terms of L. If we divide both sides of the equation by 0.6, we're just going to get K on the left-hand side, and the right-hand side we're going to have 1.3L divided by 0.6. Now if we times top and bottom of that fraction by 10, we just tidy up a bit, we're going to get 13L over 6, like that. So that's K in terms of L. Now we want to work out what is K divided by L. Now K divided by L, well, we said that K was equal to 13L over 6, and we're dividing that by L. Now, when we divide this by L, it just gets rid of that L there, and we're going to be left with 13 over 6. And so therefore, that is the final answer. K over L is equal to 13 over 6.